XRP Ripple investors, you guys need to prepare right now. With that said, hit the like button, subscribe for daily technical analysis and price prediction. This is DC Trading. We have some crypto news to go over, and then right after we'll get into the technical analysis and price prediction for the XRP Ripple price. Starting off with some crypto news. Just a reminder, this week, this Tuesday, BRICS Nation is having a summit August 22nd. They're going to be announcing a new currency, which will be pegged to gold in particular. You guys need to prepare because this can obviously have a great effect on the crypto market, because BRICS Nation their goal is to de-dollarize, meaning the DXY is going to be affected. And if the DXY doesn't react very well to the news, then we can see the crypto markets potentially pump. And this is why I did say a few weeks ago, I predicted that BRICS Nation would cause XRP price to pump to $1.33 and Bitcoin to 40,000. But after the crash, I'm going to give it a 15% chance now. Okay, moving on. We have US pressure Saudi Arabia to sell oil in dollars, not Chinese yuan. I see a lot of you guys say that you guys don't take BRICS Nation very serious. Well, if that's the case, then why is the US trying to pressure Saudi Arabia if we're so dominant? You guys got to think about that. Why is the US pressuring Saudi Arabia to sell oil in dollars? Why do we worry about that if we're number one and we're so dominant? Because the US knows BRICS Nation is here to stay, and they're going to try and de-dollarize, which is going to affect the American economy. And if we're affected, the whole world will also be affected. But with that being said, let's get into the technical analysis and price prediction for XRP Ripple price. Starting off with the daily time frame, we can see right now, yes, XRP price is recovering. It is around 54 to 55 cents. It did wake up here. It's still very early, but the good thing is on the weekly time frame, we are above 50 cents, right? On the weekly time frame, we're above 50 cents. This is a great sign because that means we are not bearish anymore. We still have 9 hours and 46 minutes until the weekly candle closes. As long as we stay above 50 cents, then I am, neutral on the XRP Ripple price. I'm not bearish at all, which is a good sign. As you guys know, we did manage to dump 30% all the way to 42 cents. And then since then, we have recovered all the way back up to 54 cents as of right now. But remember, we still have 9 hours and 46 minutes left. So it's still early to say anything, but please pay attention to the weekly candle close. As long as we're above 50 cents, then we are safe as of right now. Now, looking at the daily, what do we see here? Yes, it is still telling us to sell on the daily time frame, the MACD. If we take a look over here, the bulls are still not confident, even though we did manage to pump from 42 all the way up to 54 cents. As you guys know, we have a lot of longs entered around 40 cents. Do I believe we're going to break below 40 cents? Well, it all depends on next week. And if the weekly candle closes below 50 cents, then there is a great chance we would see XRP dump to 30 cents. But as of right now, I would say it's very unlikely because the current price of XRP is above 54 cents, which is a good sign. Now, taking a look over here at the Bitcoin price, what do we see? Well, it is sort of recovering. It's a little weak right now compared to XRP. XRP, recovered very well. It went from 42 to 54 cents. On the other hand, Bitcoin is stuck around 26,100. It hasn't really moved that much. And as I said, there's a good chance because we are below 27,000. We closed a couple daily candles below. There's still a chance that we can drop to 25,000. So keep that in mind, because if we do, then XRP price will also drop. As you guys know, the Bitcoin dominance is still very high, around 49%, meaning if the Bitcoin price dumps more, then we should expect XRP price to also dump, because when the Bitcoin price dumped 13%, XRP price also dumped. It didn't dump 13%, it dumped 30%, which is crazy. Now, pay attention to this upcoming week to the DXY. Right now, It hasn't really moved. There is some resistance around the 103 to 104. So it looks like it's going to take a lot to break through that, which is a good sign, because that means we should expect some relief this upcoming week for the XRP Ripple price. But this all depends on BRICS Nation and their summit. And we take a look over here at the S&P 500. Yes, it still is correcting, so we must wait until next week, until tomorrow, when the US markets open back up. With that being said, just pay attention to the S&P 500, the DXY, and BRICS Nation. It all depends based off what they do. Then we'll see what Bitcoin decides to do, and then from there we'll see what XRP Ripple price decides to do. With that being said, my price prediction for the XRP Ripple price this upcoming week is XRP will probably recover back up to 55 and be stuck between 60 and 55 cents. In my opinion, it has recovered very well, which is a good sign. Unlike Bitcoin, I mean, it hasn't really moved that much, so I'm not too confident. There's still a chance that we may come back down even more to 25,000, meaning there's still that chance that XRP can drop again, possibly to 30 cents. And this is why I tell you guys, please do not trade crypto. Trading crypto right now is very, very dangerous. The majority will get wrecked. As you guys just saw last week, what happened? Over $1 billion liquidated within a matter of hours. That's crazy. With that being said, guys, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for daily technical analysis and price prediction. This is DC Trading. If you made it this far, comment down below 21. With that said, peace.